Open the Tinder app on your device. You'll see the home screen filled with potential matches ready to connect. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your personal settings. Scroll down and find the account settings option. Here's where the magic happens. In account settings, locate the email address section. Ready to make a change? Tap on change email and enter your new email. This step is crucial. Finally, confirm your new email. You're all set to continue your Tinder journey. Check your new email for a confirmation message from Tinder to ensure your change is successful. Make sure to also update your login preferences if needed. Stay connected. Remember to log out and log back in using the new email to see the changes take effect. Now you're ready to explore and meet new matches with your updated email. Happy swiping! Feel free to revisit these steps anytime. Keeping your account updated is key. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Tinder experience.